Living in Granite Bay, California can be a dream for a lot of people moving to the Sacramento area. But what is it really like living there, and is it worth it? Stick around. Granite Bay is a beautiful, affluent city located in Placerville, California. It's just a short drive from Sacramento, about 25 minutes, and is adjacent to Roseville. And while it may be small in size, Granite Bay packs a big punch when it comes to amenities and activities. There's plenty of shopping and dining options in Granite Bay, as well as a number of parks and recreation areas. The city is also home to some excellent schools, making it a great place to raise a family. However, living in Granite Bay isn't always going to be all roses, right? The cost of living can be higher, actually much higher than the Sacramento area average. And because it's such a small city, there aren't a lot of housing options. So if you're looking to buy a home in Granite Bay, just be prepared to pay a premium. Overall, living in Granite Bay has its pros and cons. But if you can afford it and don't mind the smaller city feel, it can be a great place to call home. We hope this video gives you a better understanding of what it's truly like to live in Granite Bay, and that it helps you in your real estate journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.